Hello everyone, this is my video showing you the installation of a massage seat with heating function. It's a nice thing that I got off AliExpress.com before it got banned in India. It's a nice cover or a pad that you can call it, and you just strap it onto your seat, whichever seat you want to place it on. So this would work on the front seats. You just strap it on with these elastics. It goes behind your seat. You have a remote control which is wired and conveniently it comes on your right hand side. If you can see here, I've switched it on and it started the massage function. Now if you see this light here, this is heating off, and if I press the heating button, the heating starts, and you can adjust it for 15 minutes or 30 minutes depending on how you press it. And when you press a function button, you can change the pattern of massage. So there's a lot of massages in this, a lot of functions, and again you can switch it on and off for 15 to 30 minutes. So it just takes power from a 12-volt connector, and if you have one in the rear of your car, just put it over there so that you won't have any congestion on the front 12-volt socket. And it very conveniently just straps to the back of your seat. I have another accessory which is a coat hanger, which is really convenient for the winter, and when you're driving along in the cold winter, the seat heats up, warms it up, and you have a nice drive. Thank you.